Udukot jong kayeng dorbar tawaan ka Meghalaya uba George B. Lyngdoh mentakasngi ula Plie ya kajing penslur ya kajing than ya kijan muka bat rendia ya kabala tip kum ka Airy Weave ha Prime Startup Hub ha JN Stadium hamaran Polo Shillong. Kawai ni kinong prat lenti hakikam than jan muka bat rendia ka kong yai sha rembai kala penslur lem ya kiwai bakin tre ya kani kakam. Kibalaydon lang kani ka program kilong UKN Kumar IAS ubadai pet ya ka Farmer Welfare Commission bat GHP Raju IAS Principal Secretary ubadai pet ya ka Cooperation bat ka tanat rijingri.
Hai bat kilong thir ki jongi khamtam kibalayadon lang ha kani kapon ni ai kubleye biru ngan sedang da ka baong kum ni ladau try te ya ka yeng kiminot le no e ki batte ya ka so ladam day da ka jingkar pu jong play nginom la ban ya don lang hangi bat nginom la ban te ya ka yeng jong ka Airy Weave ha kini ki kendiat snap except the Lord build the house they labor in vain that build it. So it is because of God blessing that we are here. Because of God blessing we can build the family of Airy Weave till this moment. So today, I'm not going to share about my journey as an entrepreneur. I'm going to share with you the people behind the scene. Kibrim, kibadon shadin jonga. The people who push me up, the people who support me to be here today.
There is another plant called Kesero that also grows white in the plant, in our state. Then there is another potential crop called cassava. Cassava has also commercial uses, but somehow we have not really taken it up in a very large measure in our state. If we could, in fact what we can do is to combine both. Grow cassava, make money out of cassava and culture the silkworm. In fact there is hardly any culturing that is taking place at the moment. We are not actually commercially producing castor. That is, again, it is something which we have to look at.